Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can join Zoom. So first of all, you need to download the Zoom app, which you have a separate video on, so if you have any difficulties with it, check it out. After that, once launching it for the first time, go for the sign up option. In here, enter your birth age, then continue. Then enter the email that you would like to use for your Zoom account. Then tap on the continue button. After that, you should get the verification code at your email. So open the email inbox that you use, whatever that is. Should it be Google, Outlook? Gmail, Outlook, or whatever at this point. So here's mine. Here's the email address, and here's my code. So it's 240104. So 240104. After that, enter your first name, then last name, then which password you would like to use. Yeah, as you can see, there are some requirements to a password, so you know what, I'll actually just enter mine off the screen. So hold on. Then after you tap on the continue button, you will get yourself a new Zoom account, and you can, well, use Zoom as you want. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.